The phone has display of 1.72 sensor size, 16.256 centimeters, 6.4 inch, and 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution. 402p pixel density and 16.26 centimeters, 6.4 inch, display. The phone also has Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen and FHD Plus Super AMOLED display. It has 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP rear camera and f/1.8 aperture. f/2.25 aperture and 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP quad camera. It has 16MP front camera. It has 6P lens, 5P lens and supports Super Nightscape, portrait lens and 6 portrait style, macro lens and 4 cm shooting distance. It comes with 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery and 4000 mAh battery. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB internal memory and expandable memory up to 256GB. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, and dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on Android Pie 9.0 operating system. It is powered by Qualcomm STM712 Snapdragon 712, 10 nanometers, 6x 1.7 GHz Creo 360 silver and octa-core processor. It also features acceleration sensor, gyrometer and dual SIM. GPS, pedometer and G-sensor. The delivery box contains handset, adapter and USB Type-C cable. Booklet with warranty card, quick guide and SIM card tool.